Hello everyone, welcome to Chrome tutorials. In this video we are going to discuss that how can we solve waiting for cache error in Google Chrome. So let's just dive right into the solution, which is a pretty straightforward solution. So for this solution, what you need to do is first of all open up your Chrome browser. In the Chrome browser we need to manipulate the settings. So to get to the settings, what we need to do is click on these three dots and go to the settings option. Now in the settings you need to focus on this left side panel. From the left side panel go to advanced. From advanced there is this last option of reset and cleanup, so let's just click into it. In this reset and cleanup we have this first option that says restore settings to the original defaults, so let's just click into it, and here you will see the description that it will reset the Chrome settings and shortcuts, disable the extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. So this is what we want to first of all clear up everything and then restart the Chrome browser and our issue will be fixed. So for this just click on reset settings and then relaunch your Chrome browser and your issue will be fixed. That's it for the solution. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.